Hey, hi. Today we're going to look at this app called Azar. It's a video chat meet friends app, and this video chat app connects you with people worldwide. Breaking the cultures and linguistic barriers. You can be there and it connects you to Spain, Germany, US, UK randomly. It's kind of cool. I've tested it out myself, and what I can say, man, this thing is really cool. Only you have to actually just swipe like this, then you'll be connected with a random person. That is it. Okay, a random person. So depending on where you actually sign up, now this is Italy. Depending on from where you sign up, okay, expect a lot of randomly you find people from any country, and it's kind of crazy. People, let me just scroll this. So it's really very interesting. It's really interesting. This is France. So randomly you find people anywhere. You just find people anywhere. And let me first cross this out. All right. So it connects you people everywhere randomly, and we're going to really see how it works, and the cons and pros, the premium, what you expect when you pay, and all that stuff. Okay, now, first of all, make sure when you are signing up on this app, you use your real names. The reason why you won't be able to actually change your names when you sign up, you can't edit your names when you sign up. So make sure you use your names. If you use fake names, it means you'll be stuck with those names throughout the app. All right. Now, the premium, now the app has the premium section, and the premium, the reason why people go for the premium is when you want to do the gender preferences. The gender preferences are acquired through gems, like you want to choose only maybe ladies and all that stuff. You may not really be able to do it on the free version, though. When you have just signed up, as you saw me, you can actually they give you a few of the profiles, the opposite sex. If you are kind of a man, they give you the opposite sex. They give you ladies to connect with, but they're kind of limited. So when those free credits I think are done, I think they kind of give you like maybe 5 or 10, something like that. I think they're like 5 or 10. I don't think that they exceed 10. After that, you'll be connected to randomly different people. Some of these may be the same. They may be men or women. They just combine them randomly. Okay. So make sure you use your free version. Good. Okay. So the premium, doing gender preferences, you need gems. This is what they call gems. They are like credits that you kind of buy within the app. You might not be able still to filter to your city. It's something which I've seen, though the app is made to kind of bring you the nearest people in your region, though you may not really be able to kind of filter exactly to your city. I don't know, maybe depends. Maybe in your city there are no people are signed up. I don't know about that, but usually some people are complaining about not able to filtering to the exact city that you're coming from. Okay. Now, that doesn't mean like the people will be shown to you are not from your city. For example, me, when I signed up, I was from Kampala, so I shown people in Kenya, Tanzania randomly. So it kind of tries to bring you the nearest people around you. Okay, but you may not really be able to seal down exactly to the same city. You'll be charged for calls. Okay, and for the calls, sometimes in the reviews I've seen like some of them they kind of fail to connect, but just know to call you'll be charged extra, and you have to pay to change your location. Okay, if you're coming from maybe Nigeria or Spain or Germany, if you want to change to another location, you may have to be charged. Okay, generally for me, I love the app. I love the concept that they have. It works differently from others. I was able to actually see lots of people with random people. Some of them were cooking, others were sleeping, others were were doing some crazy stuff. So The app generally, actually, it's kind of cool. No one, it has more than 100 million downloads. You should check it out and see it yourself. Okay. So this app is a bit special. It just focuses on videos. It just focuses on videos randomly. You just find yourself actually seeing someone. It just focuses on videos. That is the power it has. Okay, it's known, you can chat also as like other apps, but it's actually made for videos. You just scroll and you see a person in front of you randomly. You just scroll, then you see someone from Spain. You just scroll and then you see someone from South Africa. You just scroll and see someone from New York randomly. They just up, I don't know the algorithm that the app uses, but it's kind of really cool to, if kind of a person wants to meet random people, you just have to try out these guys. Okay. If you're interested in videos like this that review apps, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, and don't forget to leave a like.